Ta-da!
Okay, let's go with this one.
Can we do this one? It's so cute. Can we do this one?
The fuse is here. Why? Huh?
Wait, Rachel. Yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, can we do this one? This firework. Dad, can we do this one?
Daniel,
Yeah?
you're having fun?
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna do this.
What is that?
Woo! It lights up the street like a... Oh my, that was awesome! And awesome! Can we do the wizard thingy? Okay, okay. Put it there! Put it there! Put it on the street. Hurry. Hurry, hurry, put it up. Put it. What?
Oh, be careful.
What? Okay, come on now. Whoa!
I think you need to put away that one. Not too close here.
I didn't know how
Damn!
it worked.
Rachel! It's still there?
What about this one? Oh,
What?
goodness. The fuse is gonna be here.
Fuse is gonna be there. What are you doing? Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Is it better? Okay,
Look
wait.
at this.
Rachel, look. Wait. Okay, leave it.
Hey, Rico.
That's the one you're talking about? That's the one?
Did
That's
you
all?
see the...
No, I can't.
Did you see this?
Oh my God, maybe Liam is crying now.
Look what came
Wanna go
out
and
of
check
it.
him?
No.
Something
No?
like a rock came out of it. Oh wow. Okay, that one. The cocoon or something. Okay, could we do the wizard now? The No, these kaboom wizard thingies.
Okay.
Okay, Rachel. Get ready for... Okay, put it down.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's so cute. What? Okay, wait, put that one away, Dad. It's gonna burn the fireworks.
Hey, be careful.
Okay, put it. Wait.
No.
God damn it.
Okay, you gotta be-
Okay, just this one's gonna work.
No, it's gonna work.
Is it? Hurry, put it down.
Put them together.
You put it in the bad place. See, you put it in the bad place. Can we do this one now? Can we do this one? Glory fountain.
You go in the...
Look at over there. There's so much fireworks. There's...
Oh!
This one finally works. That's so cute. We thought it didn't work. Hey, Wubbo, you didn't bring all the fireworks? Can we bring all the fireworks?
Yeah, first we need to check if Leon is crying.
Yeah! Yo, they're popping them at school too.
See?
They're popping them at school too, if you can see that. They're popping them at school, I don't think. Yeah.
That was got some power.
Look at.
What is that? Oh, that's so nice. Cool.
Yeah. Wait. Hey, Dad. We still have a Whistler. Ada inom si choose for you to eat. You know about Dad? We already the green
Okay.
part. You have to take out the green part and then light that up. Rachel, you still there? Rachel. Oh. Yeah. Wait. Okay. There we go. I'm away from my house, so I can get perfect connection. And my dad's back with more fireworks. Okay, come on.
آره وای سلامت اون فیلترش بود این نکن اینو رضا
Okay, wait. Rachel, are you looking? Okay, wait.
I need to open this
Yeah, put it here. Put it here.
رضا اینو نگاه کن
دارش نره تو خونمونه.
No, but it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Put it. Look at this.
Hey!
Oh wow! You should have seen that.
It's so loud, that one.
Yeah, one like cow. They're doing it over there too. They're doing it over there at school, and they're doing it. Yeah, see at school.
And
They're doing so many at school. Wait. Look.
Wow.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Rachel enjoying the fireworks.
I
too.
think she's getting tortured more than enjoying. This one, that one.
This one?
No, that one. He already opened this. Yeah, he already put it. I know. So
It's windy, that's why.
it's windy. That's why we can't like really. Okay, could I put it down? What the hell, Dad? Oh, okay. Oh.
No, because
He fired up the wrong. Okay, wait. Get back out, back down.
that's all.
It's like glitter.
You should do all in one together. So it's nice to,
Yeah, I know, right?
yeah. You have to,
Cool, right? Okay, wait. My dad's gonna do another one. Hey, Dad, put it there. Hurry, hurry. This one's gonna be loud. I can tell by the name. Sonic Boom.
Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom.
Yeah.
Oh, slowly. There's a car.
Yeah, just put it there. Oh, yeah. Oh my. Oh, that hurt the crap out of my ears all day. Don't do another one of that. Huh? Don't do another one of that. Do the witch's brew. Do the witch's brew.
Which one is that? Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's the car thing. Hey, dinosaur, it stopped. It stopped.
I think I did.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do a pretty one. I think.
Oh, it was about to kill me.
I know, but it isn't anything. It's just a big boom.
Don't try that one. It's so loud.
That woke up Liam for sure.
I know.
Put it down. Hey, Dad.
Go!
Oh my G.
Get
That's it?
bigger.
Bigger.
Is it a fountain?
Yes!
Yes! Yes! 4th of July.
Is it a fountain?
Yeah, it's no the wickling, cackling, whatever.
Oh,
Okay.
that is so nice. Okay.
It ends with a big boom.
Wow, look at that.
Oh wow, those ones at the school are so cool too. Whoa, we may touch big smoke. Okay, hey Dad, can we do the cobra? Can we do the cobra? I want to say.
Be careful, some of the cars.
Huh? Cobra.
Hindi ba loob? Hindi na, study.
Wait. Okay. Yeah. Is there any more left? Yeah, there is.
من باید اینو باز کنم روشون.
Yeah, it's just like the other ones. Okay. Put it down, put it down, put it down. That was a nice. I know, right? Okay, that one we already used. What else is there? There's the Wizards. Put the Wizard way over there on the street. I don't want it to come near me.
Okay, I think I'm gonna stop this one because I wanna
Hurry,
look
hurry,
at.
put it down, put it down.
Stay back.
You could have seen it, right? Okay, do that one. Do that one. Do the little ones. Do the little cute one. Hey, Dad, put it on the street too.
Be careful. You have to.
Okay, put it down.
You should put
The little wizard guy.
You should put 2 or 3 something like that.
2 or 3.
No more.
One.
Oh, the cuckoo was so loud. He's still there. Okay, my dad's gonna put one. Hurry, put the second. Hurry before that one hasn't exploded yet. He's gonna put 2.
Oh, that one is so loud.
No.
Now take that one and actually light it up. I think that one doesn't work anymore.
No. Later we're gonna work that.
No, there's no spark at all. Yeah. Right.
Okay, that's all.
No, we still have a sonic boom. Hey, Dad, can we play the sonic boom? She didn't see the sonic boom.
This one?
Yeah.
This one? Oh god, it was like...
Wait,
Crazy.
here it comes. I think. No, that's not the sonic boom. Not the sonic boom. Yeah, not the sonic boom right now. Wait, after.
Oh, that's so nice. Go. No more?
Explode already.
No more?
Whoop.
They're doing some everywhere. Hey, Dad, do the sonic boom. Just do the sonic boom.
Oh, I'm gonna stop this one.
Okay.